Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare dates pickle. Ingredients for dates pickle: 1 cup of dates, around 7 number of garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon mustard, half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 green chili, 2 red chili, salt to taste, and required sesame seed oil. We remove the seeds of dates and all the ingredients are ready to proceed with the pickle. Keep the pan in flame and add required sesame seed oil. It's very tasty. Mustard, going to add the green chili and red chili. We have added the garlic cloves, then ginger, turmeric and chili powder, asafoetida powder, and required salt, and add water. Water started boiling, so we are adding all the dates. So you have to keep this one in sim flame. We're going to lid this one, so we will check whether it is cooked. I think it's well cooked. So just mash little. Check the salt. If required, you can add salt. Dates pickle is ready. Dates pickle from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.